The fruits of Tajikistan. The Republic of Tajikistan is located in the southeast of the Middle Asia. Tajikistan's land, animals, vegetables and plants world are different, fruitful, having high ability. The various fruits are cultivated in Tajikistan, and this sunny land is well known with its sweet fruits. Here are more than 5,000 species of plants, which 850 types of them are peculiar to the nature of Tajikistan. In the gardens of Tajikistan grow various fruits such as apple, apricot, grapes, peach, nut, pomegranate, pear, fig, persimmon, plum and others. The grapes growing in Hisar Valley has unique taste. The wine growers of such valley who have boundless vineyards are cultivating more about 10 types of grapes which not only inside of the Republic but also in foreign countries have their many buyers. Therefore, Hisar Valley of Tajikistan became popular with its grapes. More than 236 species of grapes are grown in Tajikistan, and 193 types of them are regional grapes, which distinguish with botanical and biological specific characters from each others. In addition, taking into consideration its importance, the grapes is separated to edible, for fresh eating, vinous, for production of wine, champagne and cognac, technical, for producing juice, drinks, grape juice, jam, conserve and so on, raisiny, transplanted, decorative and other types. This classification gets opportunity to produce qualitative products from the grapes. In the second half of the 19th century, the chemical composition of grapes was studied comprehensive. Thus, the new sphere of medicine, ampelotherapy, got scientific base. The grapes is recommended for the treatment of mental sickness, physical tiredness, anemia, thinness, heart, kidney and lung illness as much as possible. Using grapes is health-giving for decreasing blood boiling, expectoration, treatment of polyarthrite, tuberculosis, rheumatism and breathlessness. The peasants of Sugd province of Tajikistan are familiar with their sweet apricots. Here, they cultivate more about 10 types of apricots with other species of fruits. Especially the apricot of Isfara and Kanibodom are world-renowned. Annually, 100,000 tons of it introduced to the regional and world markets. Apricot, as one of the best subtropical fruits, is in use both fresh and dry. According to Nourishing Advantage indication, the apricot takes the first place among all pip fruits. Jams, conserves, juices and drinks are made from the apricot. The dried apricot washed from the pip is very popular. Eating dried apricot is useful for the heart diseases, anemia, avitaminosis and others. Rasht as a salutary and abundant valleys of Tajikistan from the ancient times is well known with its delicious apples and pears. In the all markets of Tajikistan, Rasht apples and pears are great demandable. 1,000 tons of such fruits are exported to far and near foreign countries annually. In apples composition are ferrum, iron microelement and other necessary useful agents to human organism. Nearly 80% of subtropical fruit gardens of Tajikistan consist of pomegranate yards. Actually, the pomegranate is grown in Vaksh and Kofar-Nihon valleys. People use not only from the pomegranate sweet juice for their healthy life, but also from its skin and bud with the aim of diverting cancer disease. Pomegranate's composition is abundant in potassium, iron mineral, C vitamin, also B1 and B2 vitamins with calcium and phosphorus. Preventing from arteriosclerosis, pomegranate is curative for heart vessel sickness. Being helpful for the health of skins, the pomegranate prevents infectional skin illness. In addition, it's health-giving for gastritis and mouth ulcer, decreasing cholesterol. Diminishing pain joints, it strengthens meats of body, heart and teeth, provides the balance of blood sugar level and is useful for pancreatic diabetes healers. Making strong immune system, the pomegranate provides good condition for increasing helpful bacteriums in intestines. In the gardens and wooded countries of Tajikistan are grown fir, pistachio, nut, lemon, persimmon, peach, almond and other trees. Pistachio is grown in the southwest part of the republic, which its general area is about 70,000 hectares. Nut tree gives good harvest in all the regions of Tajikistan. In general, Tajikistan is rich in fruitful trees and thousands species of plants, which are abundantly on use by the population.